What is indexing? What do you mean by indexing? We know that data is stored in the form of records in database, etc. So every record has a key field. Every record has a key field which help us to recognize it uniquely. So indexing is a data structure or data structure technique to efficiently retrieve this record from the database files based on some attributes on which this indexing has been done. So indexing in database system is similar to what we see in book or books index. So indexing is defined based on the indexing attributes. The indexing can be of certain types. Like you can have a primary index. That primary index is defined on an ordered data file. So the data file is ordered on a key field, and the key field is generally the primary key of the relation. Then we can have a secondary index. Secondary index may be generated from a field which is candidate key, and it has a unique value in every record or a non-key with duplicate values, right? The clustering index, third type of index is clustering index. So clustering index is defined on an, again, ordered data file. So the data file is ordered and on a certain non-key field. Again, it is ordered on a non-key field, and ordered indexing is again of two types. You can have dense index or you can have a sparse index. So what is dense index? In dense index, there is an index record for every search key value in the database. That is why we are calling it as a dense record. So this makes searching faster because it requires more space to store index records itself. Index records contain search key value and a pointer to the actual record on the disk. Like this, this is China, or say any country. Now China is having China is stored here, so it is pointing to China and other records. This is one record, so other points are also there, other columns are also being shown. And what about the sparse index? In sparse index, the index records are not created for every search key, not for every search key. An index record here contains a search key and then an actual pointer to the data on the disk. So to search a record, we first proceed by the index record, and then we reach at the actual location of the data like this. So if the data we are looking for is actually not where we directly reach by the following index, then the system starts a sequential search until the desired data can be found out. Like this, for this, there is nothing for Canada here. Multi-level index. In multi-level index, the index records comprise a search key value and a data pointer. This is the multi-level index. So multi-level index is stored on the disk along with the actual database files. So as the size of the database grows, so does the size of the index. So there is an immense need to keep this index record in the main memory. So just to speed up and search operation. So if the single index level is used, then a large size index cannot be kept in memory, which leads to multiple disk access, which we don't want. So this can be your outer index. This outer index is pointing to the inner index, and then the inner index is actually pointing to the data blocks. This is the multi-level indexing. So multi-level index would help us in breaking down the index into several smaller indices, just in order to make the outermost level so small that it can be actually saved in a single disk block, which can easily be accommodated anywhere in the main memory. So this was about indexing. Thank you so much.